Well, Alwyn, thanks for joining us here in London at the One-to-One Mining Investment Conference. First of all, could you tell us a little bit about BCI Minerals?
BCI Minerals is a Perth-based company, market cap about $75 million. We have two major assets, the Iron Valley royalty. It's a quarterly royalty from one of our iron ore deposits, being mined by our partner. And the second asset is the Mardie salt and potash project on the coast of Western Australia.
And what can you tell us about the salt and potash project? What are some of the key features about it for investors?
The Mardie project is very unique. It's in an ideal evaporative location where we have huge mud flats and very, very high evaporative conditions with high temperatures, high winds, low rainfall, etc. So the Mardie project will actually utilize about 100 square kilometers of mud flats where we build huge dams and filter the inexhaustible seawater through to produce salt, high purity industrial salt, and also as a byproduct SOP, sulfate of potash fertilizer, produced at the Mardie site.
Okay, and what stage is that project at the moment?
Mardie is now in a final feasibility study, definitive feasibility study. We hope by the end of the year we would complete the positive study. Currently the estimate is about $800 million NPV, $150 million Australian EBITDA per year. So very attractive economics that we are currently estimating for the project. Come the end of the year, we hope to have the DFS in place, environmental approvals in place, ministerial approval early next year, and then the funding by the second quarter of next year to build the project.
Very good. So if you were to distill it down just to a couple of sentences, what would be your key takeaways for investors?
The Mardie value proposition, we are currently highly undervalued. We believe that the sum of the parts is actually double the current share price. So in the short term, there's a very, very attractive value uplift in the short term. In the long term, there's $150 million per year annuity for 60 years of the Mardie life. So both short term and long term, very attractive economics.
Very good. And how's your experience been here at One-to-One Mining Investment?
Yeah, I think the London one-to-one is a relatively unique proposition. We see high quality, high net worth, and also pension funds and so on attending the conference, which is slightly different to what we see at most of the other conferences we attend.
Very good. Well, it sounds like a great project, and best luck with continued discussions with your investors.
Thank you.